Welcome! In this video I will show you the fastest way how to install and download fau-g game on your Android smartphone. So what we have to do at the first, we have to enter for this links to OBB and APK file. You will find these links in the description of this video. So for example, let's open the first link. Let's open with our browser. If you cannot make it like I did, you have to copy and then pass this link into your browser. Then we have APK file of our OBB, of our fau-g game, so we have to click free download. Then we have to click here that we are not a robot, and then we have to wait 30 seconds. And after that we will be able to click create the download link, so just wait. Right now let's click here to create the download link. And then go to click here and we will get few ads, so we have to go back and click another time. Okay, let's go back and click another time. Another ad will pops, so we have to go back, click here. We have to try all the way until we get this link, so be patient. As you can see right now we are able to get it, so just click here to download, and if you finish download we have to go for the second file, for the second link so let's open the second link, and here we will get the OBB file. So let's download, click here, tap that we are not a robot, and then wait 30 seconds, and then we'll also try to create the download link, and then we will skip ads and then download it to our smartphone. So just wait. Right now click to create download link. Click here to download. Let's try one more time. And as you can see right now there is no ads, so we can easily connect. We can easily download this file. So click here, and what you have to do next, if you download both of these files and you have it on your smartphone, you have to go for your file manager, and in the downloads you will find both files. So at the first we have to go for the com.encoregames zip file, click, tap extract, click OK. And as you can see, here we are inside this folder, so we have to enter for the com.encoregames folder, click and hold, then click to move to, and then we have to go for the internal storage, move to the Android, and go for the OBB. Click here, then tap OK. Then we have to go back and move to the APK file. We have to install fau-g game, so click. Let's tap open, and as you can see, after a few moments we will be able to use our game. As you can see, game is in the progress. We can accept the stuff, and then we can smoothly move to reaching the game. Right now we'll be connecting to the servers, and of course there is the alternative way, because you can still get it from the Play Store, but in my region I cannot get it. So when you go in the Europe and you try to get this game in the Europe and you type fau-g in the Play Store, as you can see you cannot find this game right here. So that's how we can make it from the APK and OBB file. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!